Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, in our question, we are told that the sun is on average 93 million miles away from the Earth, and it wants to know how far is this if expressed in meters. And it wants us to do this expression in meters in two different ways. It wants us to A, do it using powers of 10, and B, using the metric prefixes, which we got from table 4 in the book. Okay, so we're given that our distance, which I label as d, is 93 million miles, which can be written as 93 times 10 to the 6 miles. So then the question is, what is the distance in meters? Okay, so the first thing we want to know is the conversion between miles and meters. So if we look this up, we find that 1 mile, write this out, 1 mile is equal to 1,609 0.34 meters. And the abbreviation for meters is just m, so we'll write just m. Okay, so now we can use this conversion to convert our 93 times 10 to the 6 miles for the average distance of the Earth from the sun into meters. So we have our 93 times 10 to the 6 miles. Multiply that by our conversion, which is 1,609.34 meters for every mile. That's per 1 mile. Okay, make this look a little bit more like an M. Yep. All right, and if you go ahead and plug this into your calculator, you get that this is, well, not exactly, we'll use approximations. This is approximately 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters. Okay, so we've expressed that in powers of 10. Okay, and the reason we wrote it as 1.5 using these two significant figures is because we were given 93 times 10 to the 6 miles, or 93 million miles, which has two significant figures. So we'll stick to the two significant figures. Okay, so now for part B, we need to convert this 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters, convert, but express this 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters in terms of the prefixes that we were given in our table. So one of the prefixes is giga. So giga is 10 to the 9. So we can write this 1.5 times 10 to the 11 meters we can rewrite this as 150 just by moving the decimal place. 150 times 10 to the 9 meters. Okay, and as I just stated, 10 to the 9 is equivalent to giga, so we can write this as 150 gigameters. Now the shorthand for giga is just capital G, so we can just write capital GM for gigameters. Okay, there's our solution for part B.